Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a new way of making money online with no money at all. You can do it from wherever you are in the world, and it's a way to make a real passive income. Real passive income. Let's go.
All right, so you want to go to this website called honeygain.com. I left a link below this video. Just click there via your phone or your desktop, laptop, and download the app. So, what is Honeygain? Honeygain is an app that's gonna work in the background while you're using your device and make you some passive income. You don't have to do anything. So, what is Honeygain? You're gonna ask, like, is it safe? What does it involve? How can you really make some passive income? So it's very simple. Honeygain is an app that company will use to use your data to get some information, and that's how you make money. That's how you get paid pretty much. It's by sharing your data. So here there's a short video. It will explain to you exactly what it is. So once you go to the website, just watch the it's a 1 minute and 30 seconds video. It's going to show you exactly what is Honeygain. It's completely safe as well. You can see they have 4.5 stars on Trustpilot. So you can download it on Windows or on Mac. So whether you have an iPhone or Android or a regular Windows system on your desktop or laptop or a Mac system, you can install this app. And the more devices, the better to make money. But I would recommend just using one device when you start. So if you watch this video, it's going to explain to you what it is. Companies are using your data to get some information that they use for themselves. And so you're sharing your data, and that's how you get paid, just by sharing your data. So I'm gonna show you quickly how much you can potentially make per month. This is an average, so like it's not that you're gonna make $19 if you have one. I mean, they say on average you can earn $19 per month um, if you're sharing your data with one device. You need to have one IP address. So whether it's your phone, your laptop, whatever, that's one IP address. The more gigs you're sharing, so you're limited to 2 gigs when you have one IP address, one device. The more gigs you're sharing, the more money you can passively make per month. So I don't know who really wants to share 20 gigs or more, but if you do, if you have 10 devices, if you that's probably for big companies, right? If you have 10 devices, you can potentially make $180 per month just by sharing your data, and you don't have to do anything. You just need to install the app. So it's really passive. When I say passive, it's really passive. So what you can do with your here, this is very important to know. It is completely free. If you want to know more about the security here, because when we talk about sharing data, we're worried that, hey, sharing data, meaning you gonna get into my device and grab my personal information? Not at all. It's completely safe. You won't have any worries about your personal data. You're just sharing your about your personal information. Sorry, you're just sharing your data. So um, no need to worry about. We don't need your data. Honeygain uses your internet connection only. So that's all you're sharing. Your internet connection. So your data from your internet connection, it's not your personal information, if you see what I mean. So so that's what you can get. Then what I wanted to show you as well um, I wanted to show you the other ways you can spend your Honeygain income. So when you get some money with Honeygain, you have different ways of spending your whatever your passive income, whatever you're making. So you can withdraw via PayPal. You can earn crypto, and you can as well get some free gaming, Xbox Live, Twitch Prime, free in-game currency, or you can use it for Netflix and Netflix subscription, Amazon Prime, Spotify Premium, YouTube Premium. So that's pretty cool. And here is what it looks like. So once you download the app, this is my laptop, obviously, but I have it in my phone and it's running in my phone. This is what it looks like. So once you sign up, if you use my link below the video, you'll get a $5 worth of credit. So once you sign up with my link, get your $5. That's how you start. You start with a credit of $5. And then after that, you'll just need to leave it in the background, let it run, and forget about it, because obviously you're not going to make like $1,000 a day. There are different ways to make $1,000 a day, and I've got a video for that. If you haven't watched it, please do so, because that will help you to make a lot more money faster. But in this case here, you really don't have anything to do anything else than downloading the app. So once you do download it, you have the option of getting your money in your Honeygain wallet, but you need to wait to get $20 to request the first payout, and they pay you via PayPal usually. If you don't want to wait for the $20 mark, you can open a Jump Task wallet. So this is like a crypto wallet, and I do have one. I opened one because you're getting 10% bonus. So it's super interesting. I mean, you're boosting your income. If you can call that an income, it is, but it's not a really high income, right? So you're boosting your income by just opening a Jump Task wallet. So with the Jump Task wallet, there is no limit to get your first payout. So the Jump Task wallet looks like this. If you already have a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet, you can you can link it, and that's what it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard. Obviously, there's a Jump token as well, so it's crypto. You know what I think about cryptocurrency. I do believe it's going to go up. I do believe we're now in a bear market, but do not fear. It's not going to collapse. I don't believe so. Anything is possible, of course. Nobody knows what's going to happen, but I do not believe it's going to go down. I do believe it's going to gain a lot of value over time. So, people that are smart enough to just invest a little bit, I'm not saying just spend all your money in crypto, because there's a risk, there's always a risk. But if you can invest even money you didn't even, I mean, money you get for free, if you gain some small income with Honeygain, why don't you just like put it in this wallet, maybe get some Jump token, and look at the price. I mean, obviously it's going up, right? So I think that's even a very smart way to boost your income. But this is going to be your wallet. You have some offers here in your Jump Task dashboard, and you can earn some crypto um, by doing some by playing some games, I guess, surveys. So you can do that if you want, but this is not the topic of this video. We're talking about Honeygain. So the other thing I wanted to let you know, the best way to boost your income would be to refer people. This is, I believe, the easiest and fastest way for you to make the most money with Honeygain. Sharing your data is going to be, it's great. It's easy because you don't have to do anything. You just need to install the app. But if you want to really boost this, referring people is going to be the way to go. So once you refer your link, so you'll get a link, that's your personal link. You'll just need to copy the link and post it everywhere you need to post it on all your social media platform. Use TikTok, use Facebook Reels, use Instagram Reels, use Snapchat, Pinterest, your Twitter, um, whatever other social media platform that I don't know of and you might be using, just create a video. YouTube is great as well. YouTube is even the best, I believe. Um, Create a video, talk about it. Try to spread the link wherever you can. And every time you do, you'll make 10% of their earnings. They get people that you are going to refer are going to get their $5 credit, which is a win-win for everyone because they get the $5 credit. You get the 10% of whatever they're earning. But it doesn't matter. I mean, it's not like they're going to earn less. They're still going to earn the same amount, but you'll get 10% of their earning. Bear in mind that it is not a pyramid scheme. You're not going to make money on people they refer. It's only on your referrals. So you only make 10% on your own referrals. Whoever your other people are going to refer, you're not making anything on that. That's them. So you just make your 10% on your own referrals. So 10%, you can be surprised on how fast your income can grow with just the 10%. And again, it's completely free. So it's not like people are going to be skeptical and think, oh, I need to spend money. I don't know. I'm not sure. Is it a scam? Blah, blah, blah. They're not going to think about that. Um, you can do it anywhere in the world pretty much, and it's free. So we can check the languages. I mean, you have it in French, in Russian, Japanese, German, Spanish, Portuguese, English. You have it available as well for companies and businesses, I guess. Swarm Bytes, I didn't try this one. Yeah, this is for over 130 IP. Over 130 ISPs are generating extra revenue every month with Swarm Bytes. I haven't tried that one at all, but maybe that's something you want to look into. You have it for business. Let's see, start using the Honeygain network. So yeah, if a business wants to join the network, this is where they would want to go to. But that's it for this video. I hope it was useful. Again, this is another way of making some passive income. No, you're not going to get rich, as I just said it multiple times. I would definitely not run a device just for this app because this is stupid. It's ridiculous. Why would you want to do that? Just use the app on a device you're using all the time that's connected, like your phone. I believe everybody's phone is connected and on the whole day. So if you just install the app, you can choose as well if you want to limit your data, because if you don't want to share over so many data per day, because it's your connection, right, that you're sharing. If you don't want to share a lot of data, you can limit that. You can decide if you want to run it only on Wi-Fi, which is what I'm doing because I'm doing it at home. You can do that as well, and that's it. And you can try it out, see how it goes, see if you really make $18 per month on your first month. Just try that for 1 month. See if you do great. I mean, as I said, boost your income by referring people. It's free. The more you spread the word, the more people are gonna look into it and be interested and be curious about it and try it out. And that's how you can grow your small Honeygain income. And don't forget to open a Jump Task wallet, because you will make that extra 10% bonus all the time, which is extremely interesting. That's it, guys. I'll see you on the next video.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will bring you a new video next week on another way of making money online. See you guys.